the collaboration he's proposing is about considering investment decisions. And if you're talking investment decisions, you now have to consider risk, return, and time. When managing risk, consider insurance. When considering return, know the price in advance to satisfy your appetite and be ready to negotiate because you get what you negotiate. And I'm sure when considering time, you want your return on your investment, your ROI, as soon as possible. In Kennedy Agyapong's speech, he felt that since the church makes money, it should also create industries, and in return, the members who are employed will give back. And if you think the business will also give back when it distributes its profit, shareholders. So that's already two major income streams returning on your investment. Yes, he went in on the challenges. He called out the fake pastors for misleading congregants for personal gain and making the work of genuine ministers difficult. He even reported of his own experience of once having to intervene to reclaim property and vehicles that a fake pastor had taken from a church member. That's disgusting. He said it, not me.